Just grab your thumbnail and peel them out. Ah. What did we talk about? Defective O-rings. That one's got a wrinkle in it, doesn't it?
It doesn't look like it's...
Let's see if it'll fit. Don't damage the old ones in case we need to reuse the old ones.
Up in the game. It's been so old. It's been sitting there.
Let's see if it'll fit.
Get some diesel into it, see if it loosens it up.
Okay. But just use your thumbnail to pry them loose. If you have to, use a screwdriver, but I'd be...
This one looks alright. I think I can just get it out with my fingers. Or maybe not. I don't really want to use a screwdriver. Where'd you put your knife?
In my pocket.
Way to go.
That way I won't lose it.
Want to know how to skin a deer? Come on, Captain Chris.
Yeah, how about squirrel? I can do that too. Ducks.
Yeah. Old. That's new. Okay.
Just drop them in, they should go. That one looks like 2 hands are required. Is it laying in?
Except for when it pops up. What do you think?
It looks okay.
I think it'll reshape.
Okay.
I've used this technique for putting them in one-handed for years.
Starting an hour ago?
Yeah. I started thinking about it. Now this is floating up.
What's floating up?
See?
Turn it over maybe? Or again, we may have to reuse the old one, because these... I don't know what's older, the one that was in the unit or the one that was in the replacement kit?
Feeling the replacement kit.
Is it staying?
Well, it's staying. It's raised up in that one little place. I think it would
we can
push
put
it
back together.
Down.
Now take the element and put the element in by itself without the lid. Okay, see it's sunk down. It's bubbling a little bit. Let's see what we're doing with the fluid. And open the supply valve on the manifold. Let's fill this guy up a little bit.
And that was this one.
No, the one by your right knee.
Oh,
the one that you wanted to do.
Any questions? Don't call Captain Hal.
Okay, those are for the Ford. This is for the generator. Okay, can you see it where you are?
Yeah, I can.
See it rising up?
Yeah.
A little bit more, a little bit more. Let's stop there. Okay, the reason I'm guessing to stop here is when we put that lid in, we might have a little spillage. And if we do, put your drip bucket down there where we will catch the spillage. Did the nipple go into the filter?
Not all the way yet.
Scoot the bucket back a little bit. We're not lined up.
This way?
Aft. There you go. Okay, right there, and just push it down. Just wait. There you go. That's why we had that drip bucket. Okay, and then put that weird hose clamp back on there. That's good. The clamp will set it all down. Where's your hose clamp? How about in the drip bucket?
Wherever you put it.
Okay, spread it open. It'll spread open. And then that little T-piece, this little T-piece right here.
Yeah.
See that
it goes in here. But is there an up or down on it?
No, just use that with your right hand.
So So these are both the same. The track is the same.
Yeah, the top and bottom tracks are identical. Hold it up a little bit. There you go. Put the T in there. Screw it down. And while you're screwing that down, never forget to open up the supply valve. We'll be in trouble if you forget to do that.
Now, how do we know those O-rings aren't okay?
We just have to trust they are. And I'll save, that's good, that's good, that's good. And I'll save the old O-rings right there on that T-handle on that Model 500. Just leave them stay right there. They'll be okay. They're not going to jump off. They're not going anywhere.
No? Okay.
So we'll clean up our little drippage.
What are we going to do first, though?
Open the valve.
There we go.
Open the valve. Now let me crawl away from this generator and we'll start all three of these engines to make sure we did a good job.